Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marukh and I am a student of BSc Agriculture 4th semester. Today I am going to elaborate about the stored grain pest of rice, that is rice weevil. First of all, I am going to define stored grain pest. Stored grain pest or storage pest is an insect or animal that damages or destroys the stored food or other stored valuable organic matter. They are of two types, primary storage pest and secondary storage pest. Primary storage pest includes internal feeders, for example rice weevil and pulse beetle. External feeders include red flower beetle, fig moth or almond moth. Secondary storage pests may include sawtooth grain beetle, grain lice, etc. This was the basic introduction of the stored grain pest. Now come to the stored grain pest of the rice. Its common name is rice weevil. Scientific name is Cytophilus oryzae. Its category is internal feeder. Order is Coleoptera and family is Curculinidae. Distribution and status. It is found worldwide. It is the most destructive pest of the stored grain. The rice weevil may be found in the paddy fields as well and may occur due to the poor post-harvest handling. Host range. They may attack rice, sorghum, wheat, barley and maize. Bioeconomics of the rice weevil. Starting with the larva, the fully grown larvae is 5 mm in length. It is plumpy, fleshy and legless. Adult is reddish brown beetle about 3 mm in length. Their body is cylindrical, long cylinder with curved rostrum. Its elytra bears 4 light reddish and yellowish spots. Now talking about the life cycle of the rice weevil. They have 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. The rice weevil breeds from April to October and hibernates in the winter. During their active season, the female lay about 400 eggs on the grain by making a depression, and the hole is sealed with gelatinous secretion. Egg hatch in 6 to 7 days and the young larvae bore directly into the grain where they feed and grow to maturity. Then they pupate inside the grain. The pupal stage lasts for 6 to 14 days. On the emergence of adult weevil, cut its away from the grain and lives for about 4 to 5 months. At last, generations are completed within a year. Discussing the damage symptoms, both the adults and grubs cause damage. They may form irregular holes. The developing larvae lives and feeds inside the grain, causing irregular holes of 1.5 mm diameter on the grain before harvest and in storage. The weevil destroys more than that what they eat. Here you can see the rice weevil. They are in the adult stage and they are moving here and there quickly. Now talking about the management of the stored grain pest of the rice weevil, there may include many methods to control the rice weevil, that is sanitation of stores, chemical control, that includes hypericium and gypnosium and deltamethrin combination may be used to treat the rice weevil, but the chemical must not be applied directly to the grains. Biological control method: control atmosphere, that is hermetic storage, resistant varieties, and the use of heat and cold environment. A 10 degree Fahrenheit decrease in the temperature nearly doubles the storage potential of the seeds. That was all about the rice weevil, their description, distribution, life cycle, damage and management. Thank you for watching my video and hope you have liked it.